LumaTax Tax Software Review User Experience or Usage Experience. Luma is a cloud-based sales tax automation platform designed to simplify compliance and reporting for businesses of all sizes. The software automates the complexity of sales tax calculation, refilling, and data management, ensuring businesses remain compliant and with ever-changing tax regulation. And here are the key features about this platform. Automates the analysis of transactions against varying state thresholds to determine issues establishment in each tax jurisdiction, and also streamlines the process of preparing and filing sales tax return, reducing manual intervention. Offer a robust tools for managing tax data and generate comprehensive reports. Also seamlessly integrate with various accounting and e-commerce systems, providing a holistic view of financial operation. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, designed to be accessible to users with varying levels of tax expertise, provide a holistic suite of products tailored significantly for those compliance, simplifying complex tax processes. It also offers a prompt and helpful assistance to users. And here's the downside about this platform. Some users feel the price is on the high side, especially for smaller business, and also the initial setup and integration can be intricate and requiring dedicated resources. Despite its user-friendly design, some users may experience a learning curve when exploring the advanced features. And here's the final conclusion about this platform. LumaTax offers a robust solution for automating sales tax compliances, providing a valuable tool for businesses to manage their tax obligation effectively, while the platform comprehensive features and responsive support and commendable potential users should consider the cost and be prepared for a potential complex implementation process.